The truck drive shaft, already broken into two sections, was repaired by an experienced Level 8 Pakistani machinist using simple welding and lathe techniques, making it usable once again. Initially, the master used a ruler to measure the length of the splines and then brought the broken spline part to the lathe machine. He secured it onto the chuck and turned it for machining. Before machining, the master checked for any deviation using a dial indicator due to the irregular cross-section. He then used welding to build up the irregular areas at the gaps before machining. Similarly, the shaft tube section required welding to remove irregularities before building up the missing parts for subsequent machining. Otherwise, direct welding would cause it to shorten. Since the tail-end outer joint was not disassembled to prevent any deviation during machining, it needed to be fixed as well. After drilling the center positioning hole, they could assemble it. This required coordinated effort from two masters. One stood beside the lathe, precisely positioning the welding gun at the welding area. After each layer of welding, he paused to carefully tap the welding slag with a special tool. Only through this meticulous process would the welding be sturdy, akin to a solid fortress. He continued working, this time finally refining the welded parts. Using the lathe, he removed excess weld scars, making the workpiece appear more aesthetically pleasing and smooth. He gently turned the lathe handle, gradually removing the excess weld scars. This process demanded high skill and patience. Finally, the master completed the finishing work, leaving the workpiece surface as smooth as a mirror and the welded parts seamlessly integrated without any flaws.